Hello. Welcome to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm your host, Lovely. It's so good to have you here with me today. Today, we are talking about a beautiful idea. The idea is this: one day, you will speak English without thinking. Yes, you. Let's talk about that feeling. Right now, maybe speaking English feels slow. Maybe you want to say something, but you must think first. You think about the words, you think about the grammar, you think, is this right? This is normal. This is part of the journey. Every English learner feels this. So, if you feel this, you are not alone. Good job for trying. Good job for listening. You are improving already. Now, let's imagine something different. Imagine you want a glass of water. You do not think, first I must stand up, then I must walk, then I must move my hand to pick up the glass. No, you just get the water. Your body knows what to do. It is automatic. One day, English will feel like that. It will be more automatic. The words will come to you. You will not search for every word. You will not worry about every small grammar rule. You will just speak, and you will understand. This is our goal. This is possible for you. How does this happen? It happens with practice. It happens with time. Think about a small river. The water in the river moves every day. Slowly, over many days, the water makes a path in the stone. The path becomes deep and clear. The water flows easily. Your brain is like that stone. Every time you listen to English, you make a small path. Every time you speak a word, you make the path a little deeper. At first, the path is very small. The water must work to flow. But with more practice, the path becomes wide and clear. The words flow easily. They flow without thinking. So, what can you do? You can make small paths every day. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Repeat one new word. Read one simple sentence. This is not about big, difficult study sessions. This is about small, consistent practice. Small practices every day make a big difference over time. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are part of learning. When a baby learns to walk, the baby falls many times. The baby does not stop. The baby tries again. And one day, the baby walks. Then the baby runs. You are like that baby. You are learning to walk in English. It is okay to fall. It is okay to make a mistake. The important thing is to try again. One day, you will be in a shop. You will need to ask for something, and the question will come out of your mouth. You will not think about it first. You will be surprised. You will think, wow, I said that so easily. This moment will come for you. Or you will watch a movie, and you will understand a sentence, a full sentence. You will not translate it in your head. You will just understand. This feeling is amazing, and it will happen for you. Remember the path. Remember the river. Your small practices every day are making the path deeper. You are making the flow of English easier for your brain. So, be patient with yourself. You are doing something amazing. You are learning a new language. That is a beautiful thing. Be kind to yourself. Trust the process. Trust your brain. It is learning, even when you don't see it. Thank you for listening today. Thank you for your time. You are on a wonderful journey, and I am so happy to be a small part of it with you. Keep going. Keep listening. Keep speaking. One day, very soon, you will speak English without thinking. I believe in you. Until next time, this is Lovely from English Podcast for Beginners. Have a peaceful day.